is that for drainage? Oh, I love it. The bugs are crazy out here, so it's really discouraging from me exploring, although that really wasn't my goal today. All these rocks are giving me a feeling about something because of something I saw on National Geographic called like Lost Cities or Forgotten Cities or something like that, where they do LiDAR, and there's like, I don't know, I want to say there's like 40 episodes, but I just watched the Stonehenge one, and they excavated an area that was just like this, like all types of rocks like laid out, and they were like, oh, it's because of like a ritual or whatever, but it was like parts of their tools. Like this could be flakes from like masonry, like the discards, and like maybe they put it here to keep the trail from washing out. But you know, this has like different chips of stones, different sizes, even some flint. Oh no, I'm not gonna even be able to find it, but the dude talked about like rocks that got dyed by red algae, and I seen some. I should have kept it, but it is here, like pink rocks. See? Oh, look at that. Oh wow, look at that. So yeah, I don't know, it's just strange how similar the appearance of this is to what they found in England, although in England they had to like uncover it. But I don't know, did the settlers do this? The colonizers, did they put a bunch of rocks on this trail? It definitely serves the purpose of like keeping the trail from washing out. Anyway, just something of historical note. Andrew Jackson Van Winkle. Whoa, that tree's full of vultures. Holy smokes. Yikes. Oh my gosh, gross. Nice tree. I wonder if you keep walking the direction around the tributary and you get around to the other side. Oh my gosh, there's more vultures. Whoa, people must not come here very often. There's a house. Is it just, yeah, behind this bush? I wonder if you can walk in front of it. Probably not. Probably have to walk around, up over that ridge and then come down. Wonder how you navigate that to get around the other side. End of video.